Hate doing chores but still want everything done? These lazy Amazon gadgets take care of cooking, cleaning, and organizing so you can just relax. They're all about making life effortless, so you barely have to lift a finger. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Tired of battling pet hair and stubborn floor messes? This robot vacuum and mop combo tackles it all with powerful suction and dual scrubbing mops that clean every corner. Its tangle-free system keeps hair from jamming the brushes, so cleaning never stops. The self-emptying, auto-washing, and auto-drying station makes upkeep almost effortless, while smart sensors map your home and dodge obstacles with ease. It runs quietly and even works with voice control, so if you want hands-free clean floors every day, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to overflowing trash and constant bag changes. This intelligent trash can compact waste, letting you fit far more in every bag with a single push. Its built-in odor filter helps keep smells under control, while the anti-tear design protects liners and keeps your hands clean. The foot pedal and durable compaction system are built to last, so you'll take out trash far less often and save time every day. So if you're tired of dealing with overflowing bins, scan the QR on screen. Tired of messy piles of clothes taking over your drawers? This folding board makes tidying up fast and effortless in just a few simple moves. It works on all kinds of clothes, from everyday tees to bulkier items, leaving everything neatly stacked. Lightweight, durable, and foldable, it's easy to store or pack for trips. You'll keep your wardrobe organized without the hassle, so if you want perfectly folded clothes every time, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to dull knives and awkward chopping. This 17-piece knife set features premium German stainless steel blades that slice through tough ingredients with ease. The ergonomic handles feel perfectly balanced in your hand, giving you full control and comfort while cooking. A built-in sharpener keeps every knife razor sharp for years, so you never struggle with dull edges again. With this set, chopping, slicing, and dicing becomes fast, precise, and effortless. Why settle for one appliance when you can have 3 in 1? This breakfast station combines a coffee maker, non-stick griddle, and toaster oven to handle your entire morning routine. Brew 6 cups of coffee while cooking eggs, bacon, or pancakes on the griddle, and toast up to 4 slices of bread at the same time. Its compact design saves countertop space while keeping everything within reach. Now you can enjoy a full, hot breakfast effortlessly, all from one stylish machine. Pitting cherries has never been this easy. This deluxe cherry pitter clamps securely in place and guides each cherry through a simple press. The built-in catch hopper and automatic feed tray keep everything clean and moving fast. Stainless steel blades do the job precisely, leaving you with perfectly pitted fruit every time. You can prep cherries for pies, jams, or snacks without the mess. So if you want cherry prep done in seconds, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to bulky ironing boards and hello to quick, wrinkle-free clothes. This handheld steam iron lets you press both sides of your garment at once, cutting ironing time in half. With 6 fabric settings and an optional steam feature, it handles everything from cotton shirts to delicate fabrics effortlessly. Its compact, travel-friendly design stores easily in drawers or carry-ons, perfect for apartments or trips. Now you can refresh clothes anywhere, anytime, and step out looking crisp and polished. Keep your clothes and bags spotless wherever you go. This double-sided lint roller removes dust, pet hair, and fuzz with one sticky side and a polyester side that electrostatically attracts fluff. Its compact, lightweight design fits perfectly in a purse, pocket, or carry-on, making it ideal for travel. The semicircular handle and luxury leather strap make it comfortable to hold and easy to hang. With reusable rollers and extra refills included, keeping fabrics fresh and clean has never been this simple. Tired of juggling multiple chargers for your devices? This 4-in-1 retractable wall charger powers up to 4 gadgets at once, from phones to tablets. 2 retractable cables, Lightning and USB-C. Keep everything neat and tangle-free, while the foldable plug makes it perfect for travel. With fast charging and built-in safety protections, your devices power up quickly and safely. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal on the go, so if you want all your devices charged effortlessly, scan the QR on screen. Enjoy hands-free reading or streaming anywhere with this versatile tablet pillow stand. Its adjustable arm and 360-degree rotating clip-hold devices from phones to tablets securely, letting you switch between landscape and portrait modes effortlessly. A removable silicone snack bowl keeps treats, drinks, or small items close at hand. Dual adjustable joints provide stability and let you find the perfect angle for couch, bed, or recliner use. Lightweight, portable, and practical, it turns any lounging spot into a cozy entertainment station. Why wait for water to boil or chill? This instant hot and cold water dispenser gives you hot water in just 1 second and refreshing cold water after a short wait. You can brew tea or coffee effortlessly with one-touch modes that keep your drink at the perfect temperature and volume. The detachable tank makes refills and cleaning a breeze, and the built-in self-cleaning system keeps everything hygienic. Made with food-safe materials, it ensures every sip is safe and worry-free. Tired of greasy fried food? This infrared convection air fryer cooks meals quickly and healthily with little to no oil. You can bake, roast, grill, steam, or even defrost, all with simple time and temperature controls. Rapid air circulation crisps food on the outside while keeping it juicy inside, perfect for fries, chicken, or shrimp. The roomy bowl handles family-size portions, and cleanup is a breeze. So if you want healthier, delicious meals fast, scan the QR on screen. Want perfectly crispy fried food without the mess? This electric deep fryer lets you cook large batches at once with 3 versatile baskets. The vented lid keeps oil splatters under control, and the view window lets you watch your food as it cooks. Adjustable temperature control ensures every fry is golden and delicious, while the powerful 1,800-watt element cooks quickly and evenly. Cleanup is easy. Baskets and lid are dishwasher safe, making frying a breeze. Tired of messy cables, jars, or files? This color printing label maker lets you organize everything with ease. Using Bluetooth, you can design labels right from your phone with the app, choosing from multiple templates, icons, or even barcodes. The thermal transfer printing ensures labels are waterproof, scratch-resistant, and long-lasting, so they stay readable for years. Compact and portable, it's perfect for home, office, or small business organization anytime, anywhere. Give your car a luxury bubble of protection. This portable inflatable car cover shields your vehicle from rain, hail, dust, scratches, and even pesky rodents. A built-in fan circulates filtered air, keeping the interior dry and condensation-free. Made from durable double-layer PVC, it's weatherproof, UV-resistant, and simple to clean. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, so if you want your car protected effortlessly, scan the QR on screen. Beat the heat wherever you go. This portable handheld turbofan delivers powerful wind with 5 adjustable speeds, from a gentle breeze to a strong cooling blast. Its foldable, lightweight design fits in your bag or pocket, making it perfect for travel, the beach, or outdoor activities. A long-lasting rechargeable battery keeps it running for hours, and the high-speed fan cools you quickly on the hottest days. Compact, stylish, and easy to carry, it's your personal cooling companion anywhere. Upgrade your bedside game with smart style. This nightstand set features motion sensor lights that guide you in the dark and a warm LED lamp for reading or relaxing. The side-mounted charging station keeps all your devices powered without cluttering the top surface. A spacious drawer hides your essentials, while the modern acrylic bookshelf organizes books, magazines, or tablets. Sturdy, sleek, and space-saving, these nightstands blend convenience and style perfectly in any bedroom. Take control of your presentations like a pro. This Bluetooth Air Mouse doubles as a touchpad, presentation clicker, and voice recorder all in one. Its magnetic, detachable design fits comfortably in your hand and is light enough to carry anywhere. Use the laser pointer and Smart Air mode to highlight points, flip slides, or move the cursor with ease. With long battery life and simple Bluetooth setup, so if you want flawless presentations every time, scan the QR on screen. Why settle for just a lamp when you can have hydration and style too? This bedside desktop Hydra Lamp combines a mini fridge, water dispenser, and LED table lamp in one sleek unit. Its built-in filter keeps your water clean and fresh, while quiet chilling and dispensing technology makes it perfect for night use. Adjustable LED brightness and an elegant maple base create a cozy and modern vibe. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for your bedroom, office, or any space that needs light and hydration. Light up every step, hands-free. These rechargeable LED shoe lights clip right onto your shoes, keeping your path bright without holding a flashlight. Lightweight, waterproof, and durable, they shine up to 33 feet and handle rain, dew, or outdoor adventures with ease. Choose from 3 lighting modes: steady, fast flicker, or slow flicker to match your activity or mood. Perfect for kids, adults, hiking, dog walking, or camping. They're both practical and fun. Immerse yourself in pure sound and clean air. These over-ear headphones combine advanced noise cancellation with built-in air purification, keeping your listening experience fresh and focused. Touch and voice controls make adjusting music or calls effortless, while beamforming microphones capture your voice clearly. The built-in accelerometer adapts to your movements for top performance. Stylish, comfortable, and high-tech, so if you want crystal clear audio and cleaner air, scan the QR on screen. Take your workspace to the next level. This telescopic laptop stand lets you switch effortlessly between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and reducing neck or shoulder strain. Its 360-degree swivel base and adjustable height give you total flexibility, whether you're working, chatting, or presenting. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it supports laptops up to 22 pounds while staying stable on your desk. Compact, foldable, and compatible with most laptops, it's perfect for home, office, or on-the-go productivity. Beat the heat anytime, anywhere. This USB desk fan keeps you cool with 3 adjustable speeds, so you can find the perfect airflow. Its quiet operation makes it ideal for work, study, or relaxing without distractions. Compact and rechargeable, it's perfect for your desk, bedroom, or even outdoor trips. Lightweight and versatile, it brings comfort wherever you need it most. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn jars. This under-cabinet jar opener makes one-handed opening effortless, perfect for seniors or anyone with weak hands. Its secure, non-slip grip holds lids firmly, while the durable design lasts for years. Easy to install under cabinets, it keeps your kitchen organized and accessible. A simple, practical gadget, so if you want stress-free jar opening every time, scan the QR on screen. Make hot dogs the easy way. This pop-up toaster toasts 2 hot dogs and buns at the same time, so everyone gets a perfectly cooked snack. Adjustable settings let you choose your preferred doneness, while the included mini tongs and cages keep your hands safe. Cleanup is simple with the slide-out drip tray, and the built-in cord wrap keeps your countertop neat. Quick, convenient, and fun, hot dogs have never been this effortless. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.